Welcome back to the podcast, everyone. Today, we're diving into something that we all relate to, our morning routines. You know, those little rituals that can set the tone for our entire day. I usually wake up at around 6:30 a.m.
Wow, 6:30? Really? That's like, super early. What do you do first?
Oh, I like to start my day organized, so after I wake up, I make my bed right away. It feels like I'm starting the day on the right note, like setting a clean canvas for the masterpieces ahead.
Haha. Making the bed first thing. That's interesting. I sometimes wake up and just, let's say times collapse back in bed, if you know what I mean. It's like my bedroom is my second mattress.
Totally.